What's going on, guys? It's our third and final break for the night. This is a rollover from last week from a damaged box from UPS, a 2010 Triple Threads 3-box break. Thanks again, guys, for hanging around waiting for this break. I do appreciate it. Unfortunately, the circumstances are out of my control, but we're doing it tonight now. Maybe good things come to people who wait, so we'll see. Here's our lineup for the night, guys. We got Ben with the Falcons and Raiders, Brady with the Titans, Dwayne with the Browns and the Redskins. I got Garrett with the Rams, Greg with the Bills and Chiefs, James with the Giants, Jeffrey with the Jags and Patriots. I got Joe with the Broncos, Colts, Dolphins, and Vikings, Jordan with the Cowboys and Steelers, Joshua with the Lions, Michael with the Bears, Noel with the Panthers, Chargers, and Buccaneers. I got Paige with the Cardinals and Ravens, Scotty with the Bengals, Saints, and Jets. I got Scotty with the Saints and Jets, and then I got Lloyd Dale with the Bengals. Stephanie with the Seahawks, Tyler with the Packers and 49ers, and Texans go to Tyler W. as well as the Eagles. So I got Tyler G with the Packers and 49ers, and Tyler W. with the Texans and Eagles. All right, guys. Those are our teams and our owners. Here's our box tonight, guys. Here's box one. Out of the way.
Summer clearance event at Great Lakes Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Kingsville. Buy a Chrysler Town and Country with 0% financing.
Here's box one. Here's box two.
Plus, lease a 2014 Ram 1500 Crew Cab 4x4 for only $326 a month.
Here's box three.
Stop in.
No, Tyler, we're all full, buddy.
Ram for a test drive today. 6119 Lake Street in Kingsville, or visit us at GreatLakesChrysler.com.
There's the three boxes, guys. Good luck to all of you guys. Let's rip some monsters tonight. Here's box one. Empty. Three Tylers in the room right now. Here's pack one, box one, mini box one. We've been on fire with this Triple Threads, guys, so let's see if we can keep it going. This 2010 Triple Threads has been really good to us. All right, we got Jason Witten out of 499 for the Dallas Cowboys. Or, not Dallas Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys. Brandon Marshall out of 99. 26 out of 99 for the Dolphins. Jaguars, MSW out of 1399. The Jags. We got Tony Romo out of 1350 for the Cowboys. Second Cowboy so far. And then we got Jared Allen out of 1350 for the Vikings. Jared Allen for the Vikes. And our first hit, going long ways. Sam Bradford, triple relic rookie, 13 out of 36 for the Rams. For the Rams, future star, 3 jerseys. The St. Louis Rams, 13 out of 36. It's going out to St. Louis. All right, guys, let's hit one. Here's mini box two. Box one. Okay, we got Matt Schaub out of 499 for Houston. Marcus Colston out of 299 for New Orleans. Santonio Holmes out of 1350 for the Jets. For the Colts, Dallas Clark out of 1350 for the Colts. We got Cardinals 1350 Beanie Wells. We should have a Jersey auto rookie here. For the Minnesota Vikings, Sidney Rice. Sidney Rice, that is really low number too. 3 out of 9. Hard to see that. 3 out of 9 for the Vikings. Sidney Rice. Sidney Rice, 3 out of 9. Pretty nice hit for Minnesota. That's box 1, guys. Here comes box 2. Good luck if you guys are still waiting for cards. Empty box. Alright, we got Clinton Portis out of 499 for Washington. Matt Forte out of 299 for the Bears. We got Donald Driver out of 1350 for Green Bay. MJD out of 1350 for Jacksonville. Another Clinton Portis out of 1350 for Washington. 2 Clinton Portises in there for Washington. And our hit's going this way. Just purchased CJ Spillers. 8 out of 9 for Buffalo. 8 out of 9 for Buffalo. Buffalo Bills, CJ Spiller. 3-color jersey. Alright, we got an auto in the next one. Good luck, guys, with the autos. No vets yet. Still looking for a vet card. Got Chad Henne out of 499. I think I got a peek at the thing. I think it's a good one. Miles Austin, 299 at the hit. Cowboys. Minnesota, Brett Favre out of 1350. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe out of 1350. Yeah, Matt Ryan out of 1350 for Atlanta. Then we're going this way. I think I know who this is, and it is Rob Gronkowski, jersey auto rookie. 31 out of 70 for the Patriots. 31 out of 70. Gronk. These cards don't show up very well in the lighting, but it's all the glare, all the rainbow on them. The Rob Gronkowski, jersey auto rookie. It's a nice hit for New England. Nice hit for New England. Alright, guys, last box. See if we can get some bet action in here. My White Sox had a close game today, 16-0. Jeez, oh man! All right, guys, box 1 or box 3, pack 1. I think we got our auto in here first. We got Mr. John Elway out of 499. Denver. Got a low numbered Tony Gonzalez, 16 out of 99 for Atlanta. Got Reggie Wayne out of 1350 for Indy. Aaron Rodgers out of 1350 for the Packers. Sanchez for the Jets out of 1350. And we're going this way. Looks like we got red. Aurelius Ben for Tampa Bay. Jersey auto rookie. 35 out of 50. 35 out of 50 for Tampa Bay. Out of 50. Tampa Bay. Here's the last pack. See if we can get some veteran relic in here or something. Last one, guys. Good luck. We got Felix Jones out of 499 from Dallas. Another Beanie Wells out of 299 for Arizona. Marcus Colston out of 1350 for the Saints. Atlanta, Roddy White out of 1350. Jamal Charles out of 1350 for Kansas City. Then our hit, looks like it was going this way, I can't tell. Oh, great. Another random. We got Jarrett Allen, Elvis Dumerville, and the Ndamukong Suh. That's actually a pretty nice card. The Suh's a rookie. I think Dumerville's a rookie. I'm not sure, though, on that. But, yeah, Jarrett Allen, Dumerville, and Suh. Let's see who we got for the teams here. Let's see if we got to do a random or not. Denver is owned by Joe. Minnesota is owned by Joe. Looks like Joe's going to take it. Doesn't even matter with Detroit. Detroit is owned by Joshua. So Joe owns majority of the card with Denver and Minnesota. So this card's going to Joe. That's numbered 19 out of 36. Can't see it. Lighting's hard on there. 19 out of 36 for Joe. No random because Joe owns 2. All right, guys, we'll do the recap real quick, the hit recap. We got triple thread, which as you just saw out of 36. Dumerville, Allen, and Suh. We got Aurelius Ben, Jersey auto rookie out of 50 for Tampa Bay. Rob Gronkowski for New England, Jersey auto rookie. CJ Spiller out of 9. Relic. Buffalo. We got a pretty sweet Sidney Rice here. 3 out of 9 from Minnesota. 3 out of 9 Minnesota. And we got Sammy B. 13 out of 36. Rookie jersey for St. Louis. Alright guys, that concludes our 2010 Triple Threads 3-boxer. Like I said guys, thanks for hanging around, waiting a couple extra days to do this. Appreciated. Your cards will all go out tomorrow. Thanks for breaking with Cardboard Hobby guys, we appreciate it. I'll be hanging around for a little bit after the break. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see anything again, let me know.